Bakit minsan nagiging watery ang carbonara o nagig-grainy? Tatlong bagay lang, and by the end, silky at glossy na. Tara, ituro ko sa'yo.
Welcome back sa Home with Adobo. Today, ang carbonara na kinalakihan natin. Pero ngayon, ile-level up natin ito. Silky, glossy, at hindi watery. Tara, let's do it!
Una, pakuluan ang noodles sa inasnan na tubig. Bago masalain, magtabi ng 1 tasa ng pasta water. Kailangan natin to mamaya. Promise. Salain, tapos tabi muna. Bacon muna. Gawing crispy. Alisin, pero tira lang konting mantika. Tapos butter. Dito magsisimula ang lasa. Maraming Filipino recipe ang gumagamit ng cream of mushroom. At walang mali dyan. Yun ang kinalakihan natin. Pero today, fresh baby bella mushroom. Brown sa butter at mantika ng bacon. Tingnan mo yung kulay, mas malalim. Then, lagyan natin ng sibuyas, palambutin. Then, bawang. Tapos, ham. Kalahati ng bacon na crispy. Then, haluin. All-purpose cream. Tapos, evaporated milk. May hinang apoy lang. Cheddar at mozzarella cheese. Tunay na keso para creamy. Huwag yung powder. Chicken powder at paminta. Pakinggan mo, dahan-dahan lang. Huwag pakuluan. Kapag pinakuluan ang dairy, nagig-grainy o humihiwalay. Ganito dapat, silky makinis. 3 to 5 minutes lang. Kung na-enjoy mo to, mag-subscribe na. Malapit na tayo sa milestone. Salamat! Pasta na, haluin. Ito ang sikreto. Pasta water, unti-unti. Yung starch, siya ang nag-emulsify kaya dumidikit sa bawat strand at nagiging glossy. Tingnan mo yung kinang. Then, i-plate na natin. Bacon bits, parsley, Parmesan cheese, garlic bread sa gilid, restaurant level sa bahay. Tingnan mo, kahit buong kaldero, ganito ka-glossy. Yan ang sinasabi kong sikreto. Hindi lang isang plato, kahit lahat, silky pa rin.
Hi, Mommy!
Are you excited?
Yeah?
Yeah? Okay.
Try what?
Our Filipino-style carbonara.
Ooh, it kind of reminds me of something.
Ooh, what is it? Okay, try it.
Okay. It's yummy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it good?
It's yummy, Mommy.
Yay!
It blew my mind.
Really? Well, try more. Eat more. Let me try it too.
I'm telling you, you would love it. I know what your reaction is. Mine.
Okay. Is it good? It's yummy? It's so good. It's really good.
One more bite.
Okay. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thank you for being with us again today. We'll see you again next week. Bye!
And guys, I'm
Okay.
so happy to be on this channel with Mommy.
Yeah, me too. I'm so happy that you're with me. Alright?
And guys, you can make your own in carbonara. I never even tried this. I know some of you guys don't know what carbonara is.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Yeah?
tell them.
Yeah. So, well, it's in the video. It's a Filipino-style carbonara. It's made of
It's white spaghetti.
It's white spaghetti, yep. It has mushroom in it to elevate it. It has all-purpose cream, milk, all the yummy stuff. Alright, take care guys. Bye!
Bye. I feel like I tried this before.
Really?
And guys, do you want some bloopers? Well, we'll see. It depends on my mom. Now